Tick tock, tick tock.
Shut the door. I want born in a barn.
Nagin's already started. 3 minute recovery. And okay, it is not. Try again, shall we? Shwmai. Fi'm actually'n gofyn shwma pethau. Bugger. Right, nah, from the top, let's go again. Shwmai. Fi yw Lola, fi'n 21 and 363 days old. Precise, I know. Mae'r final countdown o fi'n cyrraedd y dolyn yn cyrraedd y lottery gyflym for my liking. And for the record, fi ddim yn agos at cael fy mywyd ei gilydd. If that wasn't bad enough, we nôl. Yn toxic wasteland fy myreuddwydio. Dear me, 22 yn 2 diwrnod, a dim syniad i fi be fi'n ei wneud iddo mywyd.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? This joke over there, Hetty, my new lodger and my bed sharer. Do you maybe want to ask that upright?
You're ruining my zen.
Lola, come here. Dave and I want a word.
Oh, I just wish time would stop.
Lola, you're not too old to do as you're told.
You're not too old to do as you're told, not too old, not too young, not too old. Too old, no, I'm not too old. Tick tock, tick tock. Ugh! Home is where the heart is. Or like where the biggest pain in the arse is. Tick tock, what's defined by the clock? "24 hours and counting, waiting for a miracle. Galwa fi Sador, and watch me not even get over it."
When I was 22, I had a full-time job, working 5 days a week.
Are you actually for real? Do you know the answer to my own problems? Oh. Oh. Ew. Oh. Ew, 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 ew. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. O'n i'n meddwl trwy symud gytre, le oedd rent ddim yn bodoli, le oedd takeaways a ready meals yn frowned upon, a le oedd mam yn gallu gwneud dishes fi, golchi lan drosto fi, a hot water yn thing. O'n i'n meddwl oedd hwnna'n good deal. Camgymeriad? Maybe. Dear future employer, I promise I'm a hard worker. I have a degree. I'm looking for money, ambition, routine. I also like to write. Ti'n dillad ti sy'n wardrobe fi? Sorry. Zen.
Everybody, I'm on my way. New friends and new places to see. With blue skies ahead, yes, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. And I'm riding every step I take. Everybody leading down, yes, I'm on my way. And I can't keep this smile off my face. 'Cause there's nothing like
You can't write that in here. £3, please.
Lola? Lola, is that you? Slam the door. Where have you been anyway? Lola, open the door. I want a word. Come on.
Stop telling me what to do. I'm almost 22.
As long as you're living under my roof, you do as you're told.
What if I want to live under your roof?
If you think you can survive on your own, you know where the door is.
Too young, too old. Too young to leave the house, too old to leave the house. Make up your bloody mind.
She's fucking away. Yeah, no. No, sorry.
Methu clywed ti over Lola's premature midlife crisis.
Oh, she's got her alarm clock. Oh, God. Oh, yeah.
You off, you? joy! Yes!
I just wish time would slow down so I can catch up.
Anwyl ma, happy 22nd year of me. Don't worry, fi ddim yn byw dan tos i rhagor. Fi'n byw bywyd at lowler speed. Dear me, penderfynais a sylweddolais. From the top. Fi yw Lola, fi'n 22. Amser y stopo? Life does not.